Hey, it's Sandy. Welcome back to Cute Polish. In today's nail tutorial, Becca will be showing you how to create a gorgeous purple amethyst design on your nails just by using nail polish.
Hey guys, it's Becca. Let's get started. I've already applied a base coat to protect my natural nails. For this design, you'll want to start off by painting a messy coat of light gray polish a little ways down from your cuticle. Once the gray coat is dry, paint over it with a sheer white. If you have a really light gray, you can skip this step, but I just wanted to make sure that this layer was as light as possible. Once the base is dry, use the brush from a light purple polish to make another messy layer further down the nail, making sure to leave a crescent of gray visible. Next, dip a small brush in acetone and use it to very gently soften the edges of the purple layer so that it blends together with the gray. Repeat this process again, this time with a darker purple. Make a new, messy layer on top of the light purple and then dilute the edges with acetone. Add one more layer with a very dark purple and soften the edges with acetone. Outline the top gray edge with a medium purple polish. Once the polish is dry, you can add some gold flecks around the gray and light purple areas of the amethyst. I'm using a polish with gold flakes in it here, but you can also use nail foil, gold glitter, or just regular gold nail polish. Finally, finish off with a fast-drying top coat to seal in your design and add a beautiful shine. Let us know what you think about this design in the comments below. You can watch more videos on Cute Polish by clicking these boxes here. Subscribe to Cute Polish for a new video every week by clicking this circle, and come check out my personal nail art channel by clicking this circle right here.